The mechanism of photosynthesis can be divided into two set of reactions, that is the light reactions and dark reactions. In light reactions, we have seen that the set of reactions which take place in the presence of sunlight, which involved light absorption, splitting of water, that is photolysis of water, release of oxygen, and conversion of solar energy into chemical energy, that is ATP and NADPH. The second set of reaction called dark reaction, it does not require sunlight directly, and in this series of reactions the carbon dioxide it is reduced to the simple sugars. Dark reactions involve the reduction of carbon dioxide to simple sugars, that is glucose or starch. Dark reactions they take place in stroma, and during this process the assimilatory power, that is energy rich compounds formation of ATP and NADPH2, these are the energy rich compounds. This process they are needed. The process requires energy in the form of ATP and NADPH2. And the process of reduction of carbon dioxide, it was established by Blackman. There are three different ways by which carbon dioxide can be reduced to the simple sugars, यानी डार्क रिएक्शन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को शुगर्स में कन्वर्ट होना, this can be converted carbon dioxide can be reduced to sugars by three ways, and these three ways are: the first is the C3 cycle, which is also known as Kelvin Benson cycle after the names of the scientists who discovered them. The second cycle is the C4 cycle. C4 cycle is also known as Hatch and Slack cycle. And the third method of carbon fixation is in CAM plants. CAM plants, they are crassulacean acid metabolism, which show plants which show crassulacean acid metabolism. Now we will begin with the Kelvin cycle, that is the cycle was given by Melvin Kelvin Benson and James Basham, and for the discovery of C3 cycle or the uh, Kelvin cycle, they were awarded Nobel Prize in 1961. C3 cycle is the basic cycle for production of sugars which occurs in all plants which perform photosynthesis. All green plants which undergo photosynthesis, they perform the C3 or the Kelvin cycle. Why it is called C3 cycle? क्योंकि इस साइकिल में जो पहला स्टेबल प्रोडक्ट बनता है that is a 3 carbon containing compound, and same is the reason here in C4 cycle the first stable compound formed contains or it consists of 4 carbon atoms. Now the cycle or the C3 cycle, it is completed in 3 stages, or there are 3 phases of the Kelvin cycle. The first step or first phase is carboxylation. Carboxylation is addition of carbon dioxide. The second step is reduction, and the third step is regeneration of RUBP. RUBP stands for ribulose biphosphate. Let us see the 3 steps. The first step, that is carboxylation. Carboxylation involves the reaction of carbon dioxide with ribulose biphosphate. That is addition of carbon dioxide from air, or we can say from air carbon dioxide combines with carbohydrate, that is ribulose 1,5 biphosphate in the presence of enzyme Rubisco, or this enzyme is also known as Rubisco carboxylase. Since the enzyme also has an oxygenation activity, it is also known as Rubisco is also called RUBP carboxylase oxygenase. Carboxylase oxygenase. तो इस प्रोसेस में क्या होता है कि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड it combines with carbon dioxide from atmosphere combines with a 5 carbon containing compound. This is a 5 carbon compound और पहला प्रोडक्ट इसमें क्या बनता है 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde और 3-phosphoglycerate. So the first step is carboxylation, and in carboxylation carbon dioxide from air combines with a 5 carbon compound ribulose 1,5 biphosphate, and it results in the formation of 3-phosphoglycerate. This is the first step. The second step is reduction. Reduction involves the process of reduction involves phosphorylation and reduction. Reduction is addition of hydrogen. The second step, reduction, involves phosphorylation, that is addition of ATP, and reduction. Reduction is addition of hydrogen. लेकिन देखो इसमें क्या हुआ ATP is used, phosphorylation takes place, यानी this ATP molecule it gets converted into ADP and inorganic phosphate, and NADPH it loses hydrogen and it becomes NADP. So loss of hydrogen or this addition of hydrogen, this is called reduction. Reduction takes place and this results in the formation of triose phosphate. Triose means ओज से क्या हो गया शुगर है, a 3 carbon containing compound, that is a carbohydrate with 3 carbon atoms to which a phosphate group is also attached, and through a series of reactions, कई सारे complicated reactions के बाद this compound it gets converted into the sucrose, starch or the sugar. And the third step is regeneration of RUBP, that is in this process RUBP which was used, it is regenerated again, and this third step it also requires 1 ATP. यानी कि कंप्लीट साइकिल में कितने हमको ये यूज़ हुए, कितने 2 ATP यहाँ यूज़ हुए और 1 यहाँ यूज़ हुआ. 3 ATP आर रिक्वायर्ड and 2 NADPH they were reduced to, they removed hydrogen from them and reduction हुई और क्या फॉर्म किया इन्होंने NADP. तो फॉर फॉर्मेशन ऑफ 1 मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ ग्लूकोज, इस एक मॉलिक्यूल ग्लूकोज की फॉर्मेशन के लिए ये पूरा साइकिल कितनी बार रिपीट होता है, 6 टाइम्स रिपीट होता है, तब जाके एक ग्लूकोज मॉलिक्यूल प्रोड्यूस होता है. दैट इज वाई इन सम बुक्स इट इज 6 CO2, 6 molecules of carbon dioxide, they combine with 6 molecules of 1 ribulose 1,5 बायफॉस्फेट. तो पूरे प्रोसेस में ये प्रोसेस हमारा कितनी बार होगा? रिपीट 6 टर्न्स होंगे, 6 टर्न्स होंगे इस साइकिल के. एंड दिस विल लीड टू द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ 1 मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट. तो इसमें हमने देखो एक टर्न में कितने एटीपी यूज हुए थे? 3. तो 6 टर्न में कितने एटीपी यूज होंगे? इन 1 टर्न ऑफ द साइकिल हाउ मैनी एटीपीज वर यूज? 3 एटीपी. तो एक मॉलिक्यूल ग्लूकोज का प्रोड्यूस होने के लिए कितने? 6 टर्न है तो कितने एटीपी यूज होंगे? इंटू 6, दैट इज 18 molecules of ATPs they are used, and these 18 molecules will produce जब इनका they will undergo phosphorylation, they will produce 18 molecules of ADP. And similarly, 1 turn, it also required 2 molecules of NADPH. तो 6 turns में कितने? It will produce 12 molecule, it will use 12 molecules of NADPH, and ultimately ये किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा? 12 molecules of NADP will be produced. So this is the C3 or the Calvin cycle. Let us see, which takes place in 3 steps. The first step is carboxylation, second is reduction, and the third step is regeneration of RUBP.